Okay, so we're going to continue these section 6.4 notes, which are basically just the same as the factoring that we were just done. Factoring by grouping. So these are just more examples on how to do this. Now, let's start with example 1, where our first thing should always be to look out for something that we can factor out right from the beginning. In this case, we really can't because 5, 61, and 12 don't have any common factors, especially because 61 is a prime number. So what we're going to do is straight away just multiply 5 times 12. That would give us 60. And then find the factors of 60 that will add up to 61. And I mean, right away, you can see that 1 and 60 are going to be the ones. So 5x squared plus 60x plus x plus 12. So when we're talking about factoring by grouping, we're grouping two things that are similar together so that we can factor out. So we're going to take out 5x from this side. We're going to be left with x plus 12. As you can see, we already have x plus 12. So there's nothing to factor out there. So since these two match, we have x plus 12. And right here, that's 5x, and then we have a 1 that we would have there on the outside of the parentheses. So 5x plus 1 and x plus 12. Okay, so in our next examples, 12x squared minus 19x plus 5. Again, we're going to look for something that we can factor out right away. And in this case, we really can't. So we're just going to go straight into multiplying 12 times 5, which again would equal 60. Now we want two factors of 60 that will add up to negative 19, but we'll multiply to 60. So 1 and 60. We can have 2 and 30. 3 and 20. Sorry, 3 and 4 and 15. And 4 and 15 would add up as long as they're both negative. So we would rewrite this as 12x squared plus 15x plus, sorry, not plus, that would be minus. So minus 15x. Let me switch those around because it should actually be negative 4x minus 15x plus 5. Okay, now we're going to group those together. Let me fix this right here. So on this first one, we can factor out 4x. We'd be left with 3x minus 1. And then the other one, we can factor out negative 5, which would leave us with a 3x minus 1. So 4x minus 5 and 3x minus 1 will be our answer.